Hello! Your spelling test for Jane Goodall will be in your literacy notebook. So if you will, open your literacy notebook to the first available page, dated April 19th, 21, so 04/19/21. Title it Spelling Test, Jane Goodall. Number your page from 1 to 20. I will say the word. I will say it in a sentence, and then I will say it again before moving on to the next. Number 1, broken. The broken glass was an heirloom. Broken. Number 2, season. We are now in the rainy season. Number 2 is season. 3 is ocean. Tobago Island is located in the Pacific Ocean. Number 3 is ocean. Number 4, insects. There are thousands, maybe even millions of types of insects on Earth. Insects. Number 5 is whale. I once went whale watching off the island of the Dominican Republic. Number 5 is whale. Number 6, important. It is very important to line up your decimal points when adding or subtracting. Important. Number 7, secret. Bella told a secret to Leilani, but nobody else. Secret. Number 8 is bridge. I once drove on a bridge that was so narrow that it scared me. Bridge. Number 9, glance. The teacher took a glance to see if anyone was absent. Glance. Number 10, explain. You always want to explain in detail when writing responses to questions. Explain. Number 11, nowhere. My house keys were nowhere in sight. Nowhere. Number 12, thirsty. I was so thirsty after I ran that race. Thirsty. Number 13, change. It is always good to change things up when exercising. Change. 14, where. Where did you go this weekend? Where. Number 15, whisper. Nellie speaks so soft it sounds like a whisper. Whisper. Number 16, these. These running shoes are brand new. Number 16 is these. 17, freedom. Freedom of speech is a great freedom to have. Freedom. 18, trouble. The boy got in trouble at school today. Trouble. Number 19, describe. How would you describe Jane Goodall? Describe. Number 20, between. I sat between the two students. between. Go ahead and submit. Take a picture to submit it. Make sure I will be able to see all 1 through 20 clearly. Have a good day.